cabinets. Look how messy, dirty. All right. Now, we can solve this problem and make it really nice. Okay. So I'm going to show you a hack that you can use in your kitchen cabinets, your bathroom cabinets. It's clean, it's quick, it's easy. So with no further ado, let me show you. Cabinets, whether it's a kitchen cabinet, a bathroom cabinet, under the sink, they leak from time to time, and it ruins your cabinet. And kitchens are notorious for this. You got to replace the whole cabinet or repair the bottom, and it's just a big problem. So I'm going to show you how you can solve that problem and waterproof your kitchen cabinet under the sink or bathroom cabinet under the sink. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you something else you can do. And the videos will be in the description, which is that little bitty upside down triangle in the right hand corner below the video. That's where the description's hidden. Tap on that little V and it'll drop down and you'll see where the description is and the links that I'm going to put in there for these projects. All right, now I'm going to give you a little snapshot here of what you can do. This is your bonus. This is your medicine cabinet, okay? Have you ever seen a medicine cabinet look like this? Bottom shelf, second shelf. This is a stick-on backsplash, okay? I should have just went ahead and tiled it. It would have looked much better. And I have a video showing you how I make this tile shelf insert, all right? Tile shelf insert, okay? And it's completely tiled all the way around, okay? Now, stay tuned. I'm going to show you next. You ready for this? Now, I'm going to be doing a video, be showing you the video of how I installed this cabinet, a partial video, so that you can then go to it if you liked it in the description and see the full length video of it. Okay, no further ado, here we go. Now, I did not use grout. Okay, there is no. I used grout, but I did not use any thin set under here. Okay. Now I'll show you this other one. Number 2. Okay. I used no thin set. It was very clean to create this. All right. Now on the floor, when I laid the floors, there's a slight angle on the tile underneath the cabinet. So if and God forbid it ever overflows or floods out, the cabinet will be totally protected because it's a slight angle sloping away from the cabinet on the floor. So now let's get to the video. Right, I'm taking this all the way to the back against the wall. And right now I'm going to line this up with where it goes. So I've got my pencil lines here on the cabinet. Okay. And I have my tile mark lined up with the marks right now on the cabinet. Okay, this is Ken, aka Easy 2 Tips and Tricks, Home Improvement Tips. All right. Now, what I am doing here is, all right, I have it in the description how to tile underneath a vanity, your kitchen sink. I use Sashco Lexcel. You can buy this online. You can get it at Lowe's. Lexcel is similar to silicone, but a much better product. And it will waterproof it underneath the tile. I did use grout in the joints. I sealed it with the curbing. Everything's done in the Lexcel. And then underneath, like I was saying, my cabinet, there's a slight slope at the tile edge of the cabinet. So the water, if any water ever runs out, it runs away from the cabinet so that it doesn't sit there and ruin the very base of your cabinet itself. So this is a completely watertight, secured setup. I had a video stolen on this, so I'm having to redo it. If you see my cabinet on another video somewhere, please let me know. I would appreciate that. I'm surprised, although I'm not surprised. So please, if you find somebody that has this uploaded somewhere, you probably won't hear my voice. It'll be a voice over or just silent with music. But anyways, if you see this cabinet, I would really appreciate you informing me about finding it. That'd be great. All right, well, thank you. Bye for now. God bless. And remember, home improvement tips, aka Easy 2 Tips and Tricks. And this is where you see everything up close and personal. It's a win-win-win. Tell a friend and never give up. Because there's always a way. Always. Bye for now and God bless.